Next questions. Where are you in this timeline always? What? What's another word for this? Starts with an H. Here. You're always here. No, excuse me. This is now. Sorry. The correct answer for this one is now. It's always now for us. When is it not? At what point of time is it never for you and me, experientially? Do you know anyone who can experience their own future? Wouldn't that be great? I mean, I say this all the time. If I could experience my own future, I would go to a year from now, find out which stock did the best, come back to now and buy $1 bazillion of that stock, wouldn't I? If you could experience your own future, if you could actually have, what was the word you said? Participate in? Was that what you said? Or have it have an impact on me? Nobody can do that. You can't go back and eat yesterday's meal. You can think about it, but that's not the same as experiencing it. Okay, we okay with that? All right. There's never a time for you, me, and everyone else who's ever lived when it's not right here, right now, experientially. Now, conceptually, we get that. Yeah, that sure is right. But what we forget about is this is the case all the time, but we forget to go there with our consciousness, with our awareness. The whole idea of mindfulness, the whole idea of being mindful is to put your awareness where your experience is. That's mindfulness. Put your awareness where your experience is. And we're going to watch what happens when we do. It's transformative.